Today we have an electric scooter Xiaomi. I will show you a common problem with Xiaomi. A man came and said that his electric scooter does not turn on. I press the button but nothing changes. It does not turn on. Now we will find what the problem with this Xiaomi. I will show you a common problem with this kind of electric scooter. I start to disassemble the display and immediately find the problem. Water got in and that is why the display stopped working. We call it water damage. I take out the display to clean the electric contacts. I do this with an electric contact cleaner. Now I clean the contacts with a brush. Now you can turn it on by pressing the button. The electric scooter started working. Protect your electric scooters from water damage. Subscribe to my channel and leave your comments. Thank you.